So welcome friends. So today I will tell you how to change your mobile number in your driving license online, totally completely online. You need not go to RTO office. So it will be done completely online on from your mobile or laptop. I will show you this from my laptop and you will come to know that how to do it. So first of all, we'll go to Google and we'll search the website, that Parivahan website, and through that I will tell you everything. So let's go to the laptop and show you everything how to do, how to update your mobile number online. So let's go. Thank you. So here just open some browser and go to Google, and here we will search DL facility or DL renewal online, or you can say that DL mobile update online, whatever you can type. You will go to the parivahan.gov.in website. So this website you need to click it, and here you will see that the online services option you can see, and you go here and click on to driving license related service. Okay, so now in this screen we will go to right side and we'll click here, and now we will come to this place. Okay, so when we are here, now we need to enter our DL number here. So you need to enter your DL number here. So I am just entering my DL number, and after entering the DL number, I need to go to date of birth. From here I have to select the date of birth. My date of birth I am selecting, but you need to select your date of birth here from the drop down menu that is given here. So finally I have selected the date of birth. Now I have to select my state. So my state is UP, Uttar Pradesh. So I have selected the Uttar Pradesh, and finally I have to enter this captcha, and then I will click on submit, and the next screen will come up. Okay, so let's enter the captcha and then submit. Okay, so after clicking on to submit, the authentication is option is there. So I will authenticate myself with my Aadhaar number, because it means will authenticate that you are the genuine person, you are doing your means updation. So I need to enter my Aadhaar number here, and then I will generate the OTP. OTP will come on the mobile number that is attached with the this Aadhaar number. Okay, so you need to enter your Aadhaar number here, and you will get the OTP to your Aadhaar number. Okay, so let's generate the OTP, and then enter the OTP at the place just below where the enter OTP is there. So that place we will enter the OTP, and we will authenticate it through it OTP. Okay, so let's go and generate the OTP. So the OTP has been sent to my mobile number that ends with 6444, and let's wait for the OTP. I think OTP is about to come on my mobile. Okay, so OTP has come, and now I have entered the OTP. Now all these terms and condition you need to accept it. Okay, after accepting, click on authentication. If you did not receive the OTP, you can click on the resend also. Okay, so let's wait for authentication. So here some message is coming, the Aadhaar service temporarily not available. So I need to do it again. Okay, so I will enter the again my Aadhaar number, and then re-authenticate it, because some issue has pop up. So let's do it again. So I'm entering my this Aadhaar number over here. Okay, so let's put Aadhaar number, and click on the generate OTP again. Okay, so let's generate OTP. Sometimes it takes some time for OTP, so you need to wait. I have entered the OTP, and now accepting the terms and conditions over here, and now I'll authenticate. Okay, so authentication has been completed. The my details, complete details, has been populated from the transport website. But here the what details are being displayed are from Aadhaar. Okay, this is not from the transport or your DL, but Aadhaar information there. So I will click on the proceed if all is okay. Okay, so this detail has been populated, that means from the transport department, that the license name, what is my name and father's name or husband's name, license number, all will be populated here. Okay, now here I need to confirm the mobile number that I want to update. Okay, after means authentication, I can enter my new mobile number. If I want to update the mobile number, I need to enter and confirm also. So OTP has been sent to my new mobile number, so I will enter the OTP now, and I will confirm my new mobile number by entering this OTP. Okay, so let's verify this after the OTP has been come. So OTP has come to my mobile number, and now I am entering this and verifying this, that this is my mobile number. Okay, so OTP has been verified, and click on to the proceed. Now the information has been completed and it has been successfully updated. Okay, so this message will come over here, and now you can click on the home button. So this is all the procedure online. So this is all. Thank you very much. I think you have enjoyed and liked it.